Stacy.
You sure it wasn't there?
She said Stacy.
You're tripping.
I'm not.
I'm tripping. Go walk around.
Okay, freaking weirdo.
I'll help me dilate.
That'll help you dilate?
Please.
Why are you freaking out?
I don't want to do it. Up until this point, okay. No, not anymore. No, baby. You're gonna look back at all this and be like, she's such a freak.
But definitely am, because I'm getting it on film right now.
No, you're not. Don't film this. Okay, just start freaking out. Don't film this. Please. How long have you been filming?
A long time.
No, I
Yeah.
thought you were just messing with your phone. That's rude. Please.
Please what?
Stop. Please.
It's okay, babe. Are you nervous?
A little bit.
Why?
A lot of it.
I thought a couple months ago, I'm so excited. I want her to come already. Now it's like, I don't want her to
I just want her to
come.
like pop out. I don't actually want to have her.
That's not fair.
And everybody was like, are you afraid to deliver? And I was like, no. And they're like, really? And I'm like, yeah, I have a pretty high pain tolerance. I think I can handle it. You know, one day of pain and I can handle it, you know. No, I can't handle it. I'm freaking out. Can we skip town?
Where you want to go?